sir. I would like to make a zero-hour mention on the following subject. I hereby bring to your kind attention that as per notifications on schemes to provide grant and aid to village panchayats in industrial estate, the last compensation that was that the said panchayats are entitled for compensation, but the last compensation that was paid to VP Pisulle dated 18/6/2021 for 7,89,000 for the financial year 2015-2016 and 2016-2017, and thereafter till date no compensation has been received by Pisulle Panchayat. Letters are written to the IDC, to the department in 2022 and 2024 for compensation. But the IDC has still not sent any order till date to the Panchayat. Village Panchayat Honda has not received the entitled compensation of 16,85,000 for the financial year 2015-2016 and 2016-2017 and till date. The bill has been raised after the order was received, but the Panchayat has not received any payment till now. Over Honda Panchayat, I think more than 80 lakhs is due to the Panchayat, and almost similar amount is due to Pisulle Panchayat. All these, both these village panchayats of Sattari Taluka, they come under the weaker section panchayats and are solely dependent on government grant in aid for its administrative functions and developmental works within the village panchayat jurisdiction. But due to this non-receipt of compensation from the IDC till date, both these two village panchayats are not able to increase their own source of revenue, enhance their financial position and boost their administrative functions. I seek the kind intervention of the Honorable Minister of Industries and IDC Chairman as well to look into this serious matter of non-payment of compensation till date by the Goa IDC to both my panchayats, Pisulle and Honda, and ensure that the entitled compensations are paid on top priority in the interest of the people of both my panchayats. I would request the Honorable Minister and Chairman to please give a commitment about this, because this is pending since 2015, Honorable Minister.
Speaker sir, I agree that actually this money is of the panchayats. It's not only in her particular area, all the areas where industrial estates are there. But for some reason it was not paid all these years. We are considering now, because there was a case when we used to be minus. Now we have some money, so why should we deny the panchayats? Slowly but steadily we'll start paying some of the panchayats.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.